high, chirping loud beneath the sky. He swooped and darted tree to tree, laughing loud with cheeky glee. He plucked the flowers red and bright, scattered petals left and right. He teased the cat, "Catch me if you can." Then off he flew before it began. He stole a berry juicy and sweet, dropped the seeds at people's feet. The children giggled, clapped and ran, chasing the bird with a playful plan. But up he soared, with wings so wide, the garden his playground far and wide. A naughty parrot, bold and free, filling the air with mischief and glee.